Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you one more bridal blouse designing or the party wear collection designing on this plain blouse to convert into new designer blouse. Firstly, I'd be highlighting the neckline using the chain ball lace and stone lace completely on the neckline, applying the glue. Further extending this design using the circular frames of very small size plastic, and these are designer gold rings or the frame. Maintaining the equal gaps in between, we have to stick in this way. As per the availability, you can also try this with the glass mirrors. Here I'll be going with the plastic mirror, and it's a customized pattern, so the size availability and the designing is as per your requirement. You can decide, but here I'm gonna use all of small sizes, but the designing is so rich and heavy. So once the mirrors has stuck, we have to fix these designer frames which are having holes at the corner. Inserting the needle in the holes, we have to give the joining to give an invisible stitches. For the stitching, here I'd be going with the cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. So both the corners we have to give an invisible stitches to fix the frame on these mirrors. All these materials which I've used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links has provided in the description box if you want, check it. Further, the chain ball lace I have cut in 12 of chain ball lace each to fix in between these gaps. For that also I'd be applying the glue lines like this to stick these chain ball laces. Approximately of 1 inch line, so we are making this. So apply the glue of 1 inch line like this and then stick the chain ball lace in this way. Instead of chain ball lace, you can also try with the stone lace or pearl lace. It's completely optional. Now further extending this design using 1 mm gold metallic beads, also with the sugar beads. At these corners I'd be stitching in this way. On the mirrors I'd be stitching 3 golden beads along with the sugar beads like this, and also on the chain ball lace tips I'd be giving the stitch of 1 gold metallic bead with the sugar bead. I hope this is clear to you all. Also giving an invisible stitches on this chain ball lace. Also on the neckline, these 3 lines also I'll be giving the stitch. Simultaneously we have to give the stitches so that it will make your work easy. That means in very little time we can complete this type of heavily designed pattern easily. At the tips of the chain ball lace, I'll be going with 1 gold metallic bead with the sugar bead like this. Inserting both at a time, I'll be giving the stitches, and on these mirror gold frames I'll be stitching 3 gold metallic beads with the sugar beads. Once the stitching is done, the pattern would look like this, and here at the corners we left with some gap that will be filled with the stitching of same gold metallic beads at these corners. Just only the metallic bead stitching I'd be giving here at the corners. So like this I'm gonna stitch on complete neckline on these gaps. Now on the leftover space on the blouse, I'll be applying the glue dots randomly like this. Here I'll be creating small size of gold beads booty just at the tips of the mirrors. Whatever I have given the stitch, the same bead stitch I'll be joining here. 3 beads with the sugar bead. Because the blouse neck is carrying heavy designing, so we can go with the small size of booties like this, which will really gives elegant and rich look. Like the same way I'd be giving the designing on the sleeves opening also with the beads, And the completed pattern of this beautiful designing on the neckline with the beads designer booty. This is how it looks, the final look out. And to the another side of the blouse, the complete neckline I have designed the same way, sleeves opening with the booties on the sleeve. This is how the final outcome would look. Really friends, this is so simple, it gives rich and elegant look. This is how my blouse has turned into simple blouse to designer blouse. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.